Hey friend, are you looking to make money online by teaching? Well, hey, the best way I know how you can do that is by promoting educational affiliate programs, all right? As a matter of fact, in this exciting episode today, we're gonna talk about the 5 best educational affiliate programs that will pay you for learning and earning, all right? And in fact, you can earn up to $375 per sale for this one program that I'm gonna share with you, all right? So stick around for that. Hey, if you're new to this channel, my name is Chris from Njigha.com, and this channel is all about empowering you, the home business entrepreneur, with the mindset and the online skill sets to get results, make money, and drive breakthroughs, all right? So if you like content like that, reviews like this, tutorials like this, then definitely give the video a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and go ahead and smash that bell too, all right? So you can be notified whenever I drop new videos, which is pretty much almost daily, all right? So let's get into this thing. The 5 best educational affiliate programs, okay? Because if you don't know, we're in the digital age. This is 2019 going into 2020 and beyond, and it is a $1 billion market that is education online, okay? People are starting to get smart, and maybe you too, that hey, paying for these courses and community courses and things like that isn't worth it. We can get a full-fledged education in anything that you want right here on the internet, okay? And you might as well get paid to help others learn and earn, all right? So let's get into it now. And as a matter of fact, before we do, I'm gonna show you some proof that I do know what I'm talking about when it comes to making some affiliate cash funds and making money online. So I have made some money, okay? So as you can see here, just so you know that I'm not just talking out of my mouth, right? Okay? As you can see, I've made some sales here in a few programs that I promoted in the past year or so, all right? Even on ClickBank, I do make a few sales here and there, you know, a couple $100s, not a whole lot of money, but I do promote just to let you know that, hey, I do know what I'm talking about when it comes to making some money online, all right? So we're gonna count them down for you, the 5 best educational affiliate programs that you can get into, and then down to the number one that where you can make $375 through just one sale, all right? So let's count them down. What's the 5th educational affiliate program? It's called Legacy Learning Systems, okay? So if you never heard of them, basically you can go to the website. It's called learnandmaster.com, okay? And basically what they do is they specialize in providing a bunch of educational programs and courses that are in like the creative arts. So you can see things like advanced guitar classes, piano, drums, painting, ballroom dancing. That's awesome. If you have a special one, you want to learn how to jiggy wig it, you know, on the dance floor or whatever, photography and things like that. And you can see here some of their best-selling courses and things like that, and that they promote. And what's cool about it is if you come down here past all their courses, you can see that, hey, guess what? They have an affiliate program. So if you click on that, they'll take you to the next page here where you can learn a little bit more about the program. Now, I like the program because obviously you're offering a very quality product, but on top of it, as an affiliate, you'll earn 20% commissions on pretty much every sale that you make. Now, that's really, really good, okay? So they're offering all these completed courses that they're award-winning courses too in guitar, drums, piano, photography, like we said, and you'll earn 20% commissions rate. You'll have a 43 average commission per sale, so that's the average. Lifetime tracking cookie, so as soon as someone clicks on your link, they will be linked to you forever, which is awesome, okay? Dedicated affiliate management for you. They have pay-per-call tracking, frequent sales and promotions that you can provide to your audience. Have a clean quality program with the highest reputation. That's why they're on this list, because that's what I discovered as well. And I got other incentives too if you're a top performer and things like that. So it's easy. All you gotta do is click on here to sign up now for their affiliate program. Pardon the interruption, my friend, but hey, are you enjoying this video so far? Getting value? Then hey, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel, all right? And go ahead and tell me where you coming from, all right? Where in the world are you from? Where you're trying to learn how to make this money, all right? So if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. All right, now back to our regularly scheduled programming. And you can see how simple it is. Just kind of fill in the information, the username and password, and then you would just continue on moving on to the next step, all right? So that's Legacy Learning Systems, number 5 on our educational affiliate program. I like that one. Now, what's next on the list? Number 4 is Udemy. Now, if you've been online for any little bit of a time, you know, you've heard of Udemy, right? They are an massive online learning platform. They have well over 100,000 online courses with expert instructors that are teaching you pretty much anything you can think of. This is why I love the internet. I love the age that we're in. You don't need to sit there and struggle trying to figure out how to learn how to, do a course in, like, this is a crash course in project management, and this one is a complete financial analyst course, and all kinds of things that you can learn here. Whatever you want to learn and get better at, dude, you can find it, and it's awesome. You can see students are viewing how to do a marketing course, or they're trying to learn how to use the iOS app or piano, whatever, right? And so they have all kinds of things in development, marketing, business, personal development, photography, design, and music, and it just makes it's just awesome, right? So there's a lot of things here, and in fact, you can also teach as well. So if you have a skill set, you can also teach. But what's even better, if you want to just make money just by promoting the courses, the awesome courses that are already here, you can do that by checking out their affiliate program they got right here. You click on that, that's going to take you to this page where you can learn how to promote a product that is always useful, that people will always want, that will never go out of style. Thousands of online courses in hundreds of categories, right? So it's pretty cool. Their program is relatively newish in that they've kind of made some changes in it. And so you can see here they have a commission rates, exclusive content, hundreds of banners, an affiliate manager that will help you. And so you can get your affiliate links and have an affiliate account and things like that. Now, they don't tell you here, but I've read somewhere that their commission rates are about 20%. So it's okay. And then the cookie length is about 7 days. So it's not very long, but for the most part, it's a well-known brand. So you can probably, make some good money with it if you already have an audience or a source or a blog or a video YouTube channel or whatever, which is however way you're gonna promote it, right? And so all you would have to do is just come here to say click here to join now. You can see that their program is part of Rakuten Marketing, which is a much larger affiliate marketing network. They house all types of brands. So this is good that they're using them. So you would just fill out your information here as you have it here and things like that. And then once you go through that, you would click sign me up and you'd be good to go. So that's Udemy, a really good, well-known information educational platform that you can really take advantage of, leverage to make lots of money by offering educational programs. All right. So what's number 3 on the list for educational affiliate programs? It's called Teachable. Okay. So Teachable is another one of those websites, right? Platforms. They're basically places where you can learn tons of different things, lots of information, lots of educational courses. Your skills and experience are unique and valuable. So they really like to promote the fact that, hey, if you have a skill set or whatever, you can come on here and start creating a course. You may think it's hard, but dude, there's 18 million students they have on their platforms learning from 186,000 different courses, 68,000 instructors online who have earned well over $338 million. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. But that's just 338 million of several billion, right? That we talked about. That's how much this educational industry is worth right now. So it's very simple. They teach you how to create a course, and then you see a lot of people here, like, Pat Flynn. He's a somebody, right? That are using the same platform, teaching and offering courses. And so, as you can see, it's well known. And if you want to be able to promote, let's say you don't want to create a course, but you do want to promote, you can come down here where it says become an affiliate, right? And so when you click on that, it's going to take you to this page where they're going to be like, hey, can we send you a check each month? Yes, of course, right? By promoting it. And so you can see a little bit more information about their program. They have 30% commissions for their affiliate program with a 90-day cookie, all right, which is some of the highest in the biz. So that 30% is kind of a lot, okay? And then you can, you get I don't know why you can't really see it on here, but like they got this funnel here in a way. But basically there's customers every month, which means they pay you each month. So I think you get like a residual and it gets deposited straight into your PayPal account, which is awesome. So you can get PayPal money right there for you. They give you an affiliate manager where you have your own affiliate code. You can do A/B testing, and of course the audience loves it. It's a well-known brand, Teachable, that it is, like I said. So it looks like a pretty good program. I have it on number 3 on my list. I think that will be really helpful for you if you want to start leveraging educational affiliate programs and start making money with your audience. All right. So what's number 2 on the list for educational affiliate programs that pay? Coursera. Okay, so Coursera is another online educational platform where they'll help you get the skills with courses, certificates, and degrees online from world-class universities. So they kind of cater to like courses from university programs and big, large corporations, as you can see here, like Google and Michigan and Stanford and things like that. So you're going to learn the latest skills that's going to help you with a degree or help you with your career or help you get your game up with your organization, whatever the case may be, and things things like that. So you can see that they have a lot of programs here, 100% online. Some of them are even free too, which is really cool. And you can learn all kinds of things like finance and IT or management, leadership, project management, whatever, right? As you can see, there's all kinds of people that are learning stuff to help them get game up on their game in their particular career. Now, of course, you can also check out their affiliate program as well. So you would just come down here and you would look for where it says under more. There it goes, under affiliates. Now you probably can't see it, but right there. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to their page. Join our affiliate program. Hey, you can earn 45% commissions. Woo! Now that's what I'm talking about. Money right there, right? Learning and earning, okay? On their 1,000+ courses that they have. So that's why I have it at number 2. Huge commission and well-known brand. Join their program using the link share network. Choose from thousands of courses. You can track your stuff with their link share tracking, earn up to 45% commissions. That's crazy. So the commissions actually range between 20 to 45%, but they go all the way up. They have a 30-day cookie link. All right. So that's pretty cool. So if you wanted to get started, you can just click on where it says join for free. That'll take you to, once again, Rakuten Marketing. So Rakuten is a big player when it comes to affiliate marketing, all right, for these companies. So once again, you just fill out the form here, get signed up, and you'd be good to go. Now, what's number 1 on my list for educational affiliate programs? The one that can actually pay you $375 for just making one sale. That is none other than Treehouse. All right. So Treehouse, once again, it's another educational platform, but it's specifically it's specific for people who are trying to learn IT related skills. Like if you're trying to learn to code, if you're trying to learn web development, if you're trying to learn mobile app development and applications and things like that, that's what you would come to Treehouse for, which is awesome because I remember hearing the CEO for Apple, I don't know why I'm blanking out on his name right now, he's saying that one of the best skills and things that you can teach your children right now is coding, which is the future right now. So in any case, 300+ courses, 278 workshops, 23 topics, 50,000 current students, very flexible, right? You can get started for now $199 per month, and they got everything you need here. So if if you're trying to learn, JavaScript or front end web development, whatever, is really cool, So, or you can do $25 per month if you just want to do it yourself and not get any other help. As you can see, they're partnered up with big companies here, Microsoft and whatnot. And then of course they have an affiliate program. You click on that, that'll take you to the next page here. Refer students and earn cash money. Okay, that's what's awesome about it. You enjoy unlimited commissions here. The more you refer, the more you get paid. Earn on sales, top-notch affiliate support, things like that. So then they give you more highlight scoring, how much you can get in commission rates and things like that. But if you click on where it says start earning, right, it'll give you even more information. So once you click on that, it'll take you to this page here. Man, it gives you so much information. Like this, it's crazy because not only do you get paid for people who sign up with you, you can get paid like 50%. I believe it's 50% commissions, but you can also get 50% for subscriptions, but you can also get paid on their free trial signups. So if someone just signs up for a free trial, dude, you get paid $3. Literally, you could earn over $90 per month in one sale just for offering people free trials. That's crazy, right? And then if you do payout too, this is the paid subscription one, you get paid 50%, 45-day referral period, and you can earn up to $375 per month with just one sale. Do you see that? That's insane. Literally, if you had 50 conversions or 10 conversions, $125 per day, that earns you $3,750 per month in monthly income. That is a full-time income, my friend. So I think what's crazy about it is that you can earn just by promoting leads, baby, leads. So I love this as a great program. The way you can capitalize this and monetize this, if you had a YouTube channel, or maybe you had a blog that is promoting about technology and things like coding, and you're sharing that stuff, dude, you could be learning it and then doing videos on it and then making money with the affiliate program on the back end. I'm just coming up with this on the top of my head right now, okay? But that's it, my friend. That right there is the top 5 educational affiliate programs. I hope you found value. I hope it was helpful. You got some ideas. If you did, then definitely give the video a like. All right, consider subscribing to the channel and check out some of these videos here on this channel where you can make money online, all right? And so, hey, if you want to know my #1 recommended way for making money online, check out the link I got in the description below as well. So until the next exciting episode, my friend, I want you to be blessed, stay hungry. I see you on the next one. Peace out.